Watch this beautiful moment. Beautiful Nollywood actress Angela Okori was on set with her colleagues, my people. Food plenty everywhere. They were eating this sumptuous meal. But there was something that happened on this video. The movie that they were acting, she turned it into a worship ground. And each and every one of them began to worship God. They left the video that they were about to shoot. They began to worship God. Guys, watch this amazing video and say for yourself. Please don't wait to leave your comment in the comment section and share this video. Thank you so much.
I'm fine. Choosing the food is getting cold.
I don't want to eat again.
This is cool now. I see you. She's answering. Sorry, let's go. Let's go again. Alex.
I don't think.
When I shall think that your life, give us massage, make a give us everything.
Okay.
Because
Come from
Okay.
that's them like, she.
act it.
So after the food, you like some massage, right? You want some stone massage on your back? With a punky massage? Yeah. Yes, I'll do that.
Choosing your food is getting cold.
I don't want to eat again. If you just want to die, you'll go to hell. I won't be in love.
That's something, I'm also I will go.
This knife is pure, but I don't know what's going on.
I'm going to say like now.
Look at movement will be. I'm going to movement. Get out will be. I'm going to say I want shoes. We got to shoes in the afternoon and then maybe.
Papa, no, he say, Papa, I know what they talk. I'm not going to I'm me up. I'm going to
I can see
All right, thank you, Ace.
Just quiet. Look at that.
Let's go. Ross.
Hey!
Sab, don't eat my chicken. That is supposed to be mine.
Yes, yeah.